it's recording. I'm gonna eat a, what do you call it, Madeline?
Chapulines.
I'm gonna eat a chapulines.
Es un grillo.
It's a grillo.
The
A
grasshopper.
grasshopper that a guy just gave me. He's selling them as snacks. I didn't buy a whole cuppa. He just gave me one to eat. It's salty. Tastes like a bug. Ah, it tastes like a bug. That was weird. I better wash that down. I just ate my first bug. One in Mexico. One in Rome. Get it done. Oh yeah, here's the guy. He's over there. He's got a bucket full of them. He's selling grasshoppers. Ciao.